Okay, third graders, here's the helpful guide that will take you through your learning for this week, okay? So when you click on Ms. V's third grade class for your Google Classroom, it takes you directly to the stream page. So this is the stream page. So on the stream page, I have put the literacy must do and a math must do. So if you click on these images right here, so you got to click right on the letters. This is your literacy must do for the week of April 6th. Your first must do is going to be brave, and you're going to go to Google Classroom. You're going to click on Brave Girl, main idea, and then you're going to start the learning activities. Make sure you look out for some feedback because I like to give comments. The second must do that you need to do is go to joinmyquiz.com. You're going to type in the quiz's code 844163. You're going to use your real name, so just your first name. You have to get at least 75% for this activity to be complete. You can take the quiz unlimited amount of times to receive that 75% or higher. The third must do is going to be your Newsela climate change. So you're going to go to Google Classroom, you're going to click on Newsela climate change. Start the learning activity. During this activity, there's an activity that's called Flipgrid. And it's going to ask you your username, and your username is going to be your student password. And then at the end of that, you're going to look for some feedback. Now we're going to move on to our math must do for the week of April 6th. So your first must do for math is going to do multiply and divide practice 1. So you're going to go to Google Classroom, you're going to click on multiply and divide. You're going to start the learning activity, you're going to share it with me, and then you're going to look for feedback. Same thing as the literacy must do, you're going to do a math must do. So this is going to be for your quizzes. You're going to join myquizzes.com, you're going to type in the code, you're going to use your real first name, and the same thing applies. You have to get a 75% or higher, but you can take the quiz as many times as you would like. Your third must do is going to be fluently multiply and divide. Same thing, you're going to go to Google Classroom, click on fluently multiply and divide, start the learning activity, and then that will be all. And so now I'm going to go up here to the Classwork tab, and this is where everything is listed. So Brave Girl, your first must do is right here. You're going to click right here. Same thing with your grammar quiz, your Newsela, multiply and divide, multiplication quiz, and fluently multiply and divide. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this has helped you get through some of your learning activities. Have a great day.